All you gotta do is feel the beat. Just think about moving to the music. You don't have to do it so perfectly.
See, that's the thing. Everybody from our school will watch. And we don't want to look like we can't dance. I say, if we can't get it right by tonight, then it's off. I mean, I can't take a chance. It's just too advanced.
Quit saying it's impossible. All I hear from you is fear and doubt. If you really want to do it, then you both need to pay attention.
You and Madison will help us out?
We'll try. But you gotta lose the attitude, cause some things just take some time.
I'll watch because I want to get better and I think I can. My reputation is on the line.
Olivia, please. A+ for the effort, right?
I quit because you both want to sit there and laugh at us. Yeah, you don't know what this is like.
Oh, take a joke. It was fine and we'll clean it up. Yeah, you guys are gonna steal the show. We promise we can help you out and it'll be alright. Besides, we did this a long time ago.
Wait, you did? Well, this is great. You two can help us win first place. That's right, because the rules say we can have extra help if it's family or in our